hope you've really enjoyed our videos that we've shown you today about International Women in Engineering Day. It's a really important day at highlighting the need to get more females into engineering. 12.4% is not enough. We need engineering to represent the whole of society. And you can't be what you can't see. So hopefully, by seeing our female apprentices and our female role models today, it's made you, a young female, consider a career within engineering. There are so many possibilities and so many exciting careers within engineering. There's manufacturing, where you can be involved in problem solving, making, creating. It's just a whole world of possibilities. But you have to consider it. Don't rule yourself out. And hopefully you can help increase it from 12.4 to 50%, which would be absolutely fantastic. We need to represent the whole of society within engineering.